Welcome to day 22 of your meditation journey. Today we'll explore a powerful inner skill, allowing your emotions to come and go like weather passing through the sky. Find a comfortable position, seated or lying down, and gently close your eyes or soften your gaze. Take a slow, conscious breath in and a longer, softer breath out. Let's do that again. Inhale through the nose and exhale fully through the mouth. Feel gravity anchoring your body, your weight supported completely. Let yourself settle. Now, bring your attention to your breath. There is no need to change it, simply notice it. Feel the inhale arrive and the exhale leave. Notice how each breath is a gentle wave. Let your mind rest on the rising and falling of your breath. This breath. Now this one. Now expand your awareness to include your whole body. Feel your feet, your hands, your chest, your face. Are there any areas that feel tense or tight? Without trying to change anything, just observe. Bring curiosity, bring kindness. Now, imagine your mind as a wide open sky. Your awareness is the sky, vast, spacious, unshaken. And your emotions, they are the weather. Maybe there are clouds, light or heavy. Maybe a breeze, or maybe a storm is brewing. Can you notice what emotional weather is passing through today? Gently ask yourself, what is here right now? Maybe it's sadness, tension, excitement, irritation. Whatever you find, name it softly in your mind like this. Here is frustration. Or this is a moment of anxiety, or this is joy. And now, allow it to be here. You don't need to analyze it or fix it. Just like you wouldn't yell at a cloud for appearing, you don't need to resist this emotion. Breathe with it, observe it. Let it pass in its own time. You are not the emotion. You are the sky that holds it. If the mind wanders, and it will, gently come back to this question. What is the weather now? And then return to your breath. Notice how all emotional states, even the intense ones, shift and change when we allow them space. Every cloud moves, every storm passes. You remain open, grounded, aware. Begin to return to the feeling of your body. Feel the air on your skin. Feel your seat or the floor beneath you. Bring awareness to your surroundings, even through closed eyes. And now ask yourself, what do I want to carry forward from this practice? Maybe it's the reminder that emotions are temporary. Maybe it's the sense of spaciousness in your awareness, or simply the calm that comes from presence. Take a deep breath in and release it fully. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Welcome back. I'll see you tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.